Hi guys, so welcome to our second video in that session on Students' Insights. Now that's a video from Seda and Jennifer, whom I had the pleasure of meeting half a year ago in that seminar on machine learning and finance. Now that video is more qualitative relative to our first video on neural networks, and the idea is to give an overview on what Seda and Jennifer think will happen to the insurance industry over the next couple of years. Right? So enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. During the last weeks, we studied about the future of insurance industry, and today we would like to share some future trends with you, which will affect this industry. As we are talking about the future of insurance, maybe you will already guess that in comparison with today, the insurance industry will change. Those factors can be clustered into 5 sectors. Do you already have an idea what one of those sectors could be? Well, actually, it's pretty easy. Let's take a look. Starting from technological, social, and environmental sectors, the changes are also driven by economic and political factors. Due to our limited time, we will concentrate on technological and economic factors. And to be concrete, first, we are going to explain you ecosystems, referring to the economic sector. Afterwards, we will continue to give you an overview about artificial intelligence, referring to the technological sector.
Okay, let's start with ecosystems. First of all, what exactly is an ecosystem? Morgan Stanley defined an ecosystem as a digital network of companies, individual contributors, and consumers that interact and work together to create combined services and mutual value. To make it more clear what an ecosystem means for the participants, I want to present you an example of 3 companies that recently formed such an ecosystem. The 3 companies are Alibaba, AXA, and Ant Financial. Alibaba is one of the largest online and mobile commerce company with various marketplaces. AXA is the global insurer and asset manager, and Ant Financial the largest online financial services platform in China. So what happened when these 3 joined was that the consumers that were mainly acting on Alibaba's marketplaces became consumers of all the 3 of them. So how the process in this ecosystem works a little more detailed. Alibaba is still selling its products as before. AXA now offers exactly tailored insurances for each product, while Ant Financial is providing financial services to ease all these transactions. For AXA and Ant Financial, this offers some obvious advantages. They have an increased customer base and access to a unique global and direct distribution channel. But also for Alibaba there are some benefits. Due to their existing network, they have only marginal marketing and distribution costs. Moreover, they can offer their customers evolved services, and they have insight to all the customer data that is created during the use of Access and Ant Financial services. For all the 3 of them together, it means they can improve their overall customer experience, and most important, they have the possibility to work together and create new solutions. Next question regarding ecosystems is how they form and come together. The answer is platforms. As an insurer in the future, you will have to decide to either build a platform or integrate in an existing one. But you have to be aware of when you build your platform, you own it, it's yours, and otherwise you just participate in it. So that's not an equal position. There are some benefits for both sides. As a platform owner, you take control of the customer interface, create a customer relationship, and keep the brand in the forefront of your ecosystem. As a participant, you have rapid access to pools of customers, and you can use existing distribution channels. To sum it up for ecosystems, insurers need to adopt platform-based business models and engage in ecosystems to be successful in the future. Also, 49% of all insurers agree on this, according to the Essential Technology Vision.
Let's continue with changes in insurance industry due to artificial intelligence. But before we start with effects to the insurance industry, we will take a closer look to the definition of artificial intelligence. Here you can see the original definition of artificial intelligence by John McCarthy. Every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can in principle be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. An attempt will be made to find how to make machines use language, form abstractions and concepts, solve kinds of problems now reserved for humans, and improve themselves. Well, what does this actually mean? In fact, it means artificial intelligence is a computer program or a machine that learns how to fulfill tasks that require human intelligence. Now that we know what artificial intelligence means, the next question is, what are the benefits of using artificial intelligence in insurance industry? First of all, interfaces are becoming smarter and simpler to use. Secondly, it offers new ways to improve service and customer experience. And compared with employees, systems can interact with an infinite number of people at once. And most importantly, customers can choose how much and what kind of interaction they want to have at any time. Whether it is text-based chats, spoken conversations, gestures, or even virtual reality. Well, those benefits are convincing and also useful in insurance industry. Actually, 75% of insurance executives agree that artificial intelligence is about to dramatically reshape the industry. But still, why do they think it is going to dramatically change? How are especially customer behavior or processes going to change or is already changing? Firstly, artificial intelligence is already used in automated processes in a back office, but it is already evolving to virtual assistants on customer front line. Those processes will also improve and be more common in future. Secondly, customers will soon spend as much time, if not more, engaged with artificial intelligence as with humans, so it becomes more important. And in the future, customers will base their opinion of and interest in companies on its artificial intelligence, just as they already judge by their experiences with employees. Those arguments underline the increasing importance of artificial intelligence in insurance industry, and some companies already started to use it on the customer front line. Here are examples of how artificial intelligence is used. The company Geico offers customers a mobile app with a virtual assistant called Kate. Kate is able to answer basic questions like, what is the current balance on my auto insurance policy? And when is my next payment due? Another example is the Allstate Business Insurance Expert that uses virtual assistant with an on-screen personality that helps agents quote and issue commercial products. By the way, it is also faster asking Allstate Business Insurance expert than phoning the call center. Those virtual assistants are useful and simplifies the usage for its customers. But in the future, there will be improvement and an increase of using artificial intelligence in insurance industry.
Now you had some insights on ecosystems and artificial intelligence as drivers for the development of insurance. Now I want to give you another insight on how the future might look like. Here are some predictions for the future based on data the Essential Technology Report collected. Some predictions of ecosystems. In 5 years, the majority of insurance customers will be buying goods or services through digital intermediaries such as messaging platforms, connected devices, or smart assistants. In 7 years, an insurance industry leader from today will have transformed into an ecosystem company spanning multiple markets. The enterprise will be holding no physical headquarters and few permanent staff. Its highest value asset will be a digital platform. Some predictions of artificial intelligence. In 5 years, customers will select services based on AI instead of traditional brands. In 7 years, most interfaces will not have a screen and will be integrated into daily tasks. And in 10 years, digital assistants will be so commonly used they'll keep employees productive 24/7 a year, operating in the background for workplace interactions. So, these 6 statements are only predictions, and we do of course not exactly know how the future will look like. So, I want to show you one last number for today. 68% of all insurers say the organization must innovate at an increasing rapid pace just to keep a competitive edge. And this clearly shows that the insurance industry is going through a big change for the next years, no matter if that means engaging in ecosystems or using artificial intelligence. Thank you for your attention.